In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export account history from MetaTrader 5 if you need to save your trading activity for record keeping, performance review, or sharing with an accountant or support team. MetaTrader 5 makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open your account history, choose the time period you want, and export it as a report you can save on your computer. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 and press Ctrl and T on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the Toolbox panel, which is where several important account and trading details are stored. If the panel is already visible, that's perfectly fine. You can simply move on to the next step. Once the toolbox is open, click on the History tab. This section contains your past trading activity, including closed trades, deposits, withdrawals, and other completed account actions. It's the area you'll use whenever you want to review or export historical account data. Next, right-click anywhere inside the History tab. A context menu will appear, giving you different options for how much history you want to display. At this point, choose the period you want to export. You can select all history if you want everything available in the account record. You can also choose last 3 months or last month if you only need recent activity. If you need a more specific date range, select custom period and then define the exact time frame you want included in the report. Choosing the correct period is important because the exported file will reflect only the history currently filtered in that tab. So before moving forward, take a moment to make sure the displayed range matches what you actually need. After that, right-click again anywhere in the History tab. This time, select either Report or Detailed Report. A standard report usually provides a general summary of your account history, while Detailed Report includes more in-depth information. If you're unsure which one to use, Detailed Report is often the better option when you want a more complete record. A save window will then appear. Choose the location where you want to store the file. It's a good idea to save it somewhere easy to find later, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder for trading records. Finally, click Save. Your MetaTrader 5 account history will be exported and stored in the location you selected. And that's it. You've successfully exported your account history from MetaTrader 5